Hey everybody, what's going on? This is John with J.Racenstein. We're going to show you real quickly why it's important to flush out your carbon filter after changing it. I mean, it is recommended, it's on the instructions, but we wanted to show you how you can go about doing that real quick. So we've taken the cap off and switched out the old. We're putting in the new, and we're going to install the new cap. This is a used machine that's come in for service, and amongst many other things that's wrong with it, it needs a filter change for the carbon. So when you're flushing the carbon, you need to basically remove it from the entire system. So it has to be operating separately from all the other filters so it does not cross-contaminate. So this is the max system with a pump. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to separate it here. Now you should let this flush for about 5 minutes to get all that carbon sediment out, because you don't want that to jam up your RO filter. So just follow these quick instructions and you should have no problems cross-contaminating. All right, thanks for checking in with J.Racenstein and have a great day.